The clock is ticking for Illinois Constructors Corporation and its SEAL Team 6-like mission here. The U.S. Coast Guard has given them only 112 hours to remove and then repair the shaft from this 4-foot wide, 60,000-pound wheel seen here. That wheel is used to raise a more than 100-year-old lift bridge right below the Chicago Skyway near 95th Street. The tracks connected to this lift bridge are part of one of the busiest rail networks operated by Norfolk Southern. And you could definitely tell. It seemed that a train passed by just about every 20 minutes, which adds to the complexity of the job.
This is very unique. I've never done this project before. Even the railroad themselves have not attempted this type of work in years. So it's pretty unique to both of us.
It really is. We're working on a 112-year-old structure, one of the many historic bridges in Chicago.
Extraordinary jobs call for extraordinary equipment like this crane, which had to be set back about 120 feet. The longer the radius, the bigger the crane. The equipment, which was rented from another Illinois company, Snook Equipment, came with a pretty extraordinary price tag.
I got an invoice across my desk about the rental of this crane. And when I saw $160,000, it got everybody's attention. He says, "What the heck is this?" And that's the monthly charge. They're only going to use it here for about probably about a week, 5 days maybe.
You still have to pay
the monthly. Well, it's an interesting charge. The charge is like $80,000 for the crane, $40,000 to get it here, and $40,000 to take it back.
And since there's really no prior job to compare this to, the charge is more of a guesstimate because of the potential unknowns.
Our operations manager put that it's going to be about an $800,000 to $1 million job, or that's about what we think.
The unknown is what we're concerned about.
The unknowns as well as hitting deadlines, including the first one tonight.
Tonight we have to, before we go home tonight, that the cable drum has to be loaded onto the truck and on its way to the machine shop. And that's when we can go home tonight.
Reporting from the south side of Chicago, for ENR, I'm Gino Vici.